Hi, dear friends. I am Dr. Rajasekhar M R from Chirag Global Hospitals, Bangalore in the BTM second stage. What is rectovaginal fistula? This is not an uncommon complication of usually during a complicated normal delivery. So this is one of the common causes. Rectum and vagina are adjacent organs. Rectum is the place where it is just above the anal canal. Anal canal is the last part from where motion comes out. So that is about 4 centimeters long tube. Above that is called rectum. That is, rectum and anal canal are just adjacent. Front portion is this vagina. So, in females, when the vagina is there very close to rectum, during delivery, if there is a tear in the vagina, if it tears into the rectum, it can cause what we call as rectovaginal fistulas. That is a different issue. But there are some anal fistulas in the anal canal caused by infection of the anal glands, which when they open very close to the vagina, not deep inside the vagina, they are called anovaginal fistulas. So, anovaginal fistulas are treated like any other regular fistulas. Any surgeon or proctologist or a colorectal surgeon will be managing or treating it by surgery only. All fistulas, the only cure is by surgery. Rectovaginal fistula, it is not because of infection, it is because of some injury, some lack of blood supply, certain other factors are there. So the surgery is different there. It's not simply opening the tract and cleaning the infection and all that. It is done differently where we'll interpose some sort of tissues or some sort of mesh and all between the rectum and vagina, which will be little at the deeper side. So rectovaginal fistula is different. It has to be, surgery is the only cure for that. Anovaginal fistula also is surgery is the only treatment. Anovaginal surgeries are different. Rectovaginal surgeries are different. Both can be cured by properly done surgeries. That is more important. So simply surgery means, it doesn't mean that we cut or use some lasers. There is a big hype going on now. Laser surgery will do, so it will go off. Will get permanent cure. It is all not true. Please don't take it from all the actors and those sort of things coming and promoting. Don't fall prey to it. It is a very professional thing. Only professionally well trained. It is a subspeciality of surgery. Specialists only will be able to do complicated surgeries and complex fistulas, recurrent fistulas and all that. So all and sundry if they try to do, you will end up with problem. Don't fall prey for these advertisements, especially promoted by well-known actors and some third page artists and all that.